Hey guys, good morning. We're going to keep this video kind of just simple and fun. I cannot stand doing another analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now for the overall macro view because I've done like 7 of them and we're still in the same channel. So why don't we just teach you guys how to make some money in the channel trading? So like, let's just focus on making money right now. Okay, so let's do this, guys. We're going to look at the channel. How do you predict market moves up and down in a channel, and how do you make money? Let's just talk about that today. So 2 indicators you guys are going to need for the strategy I'm about to show you is price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion. Good news for you is that these indicators are 84% off for the next 6 days. We're going to be upping the price of this coming May 31st. So make sure you guys go over to indicators. They're linked in the description. Here you guys go. Enter coupon code SAVE MONEY. Boom. You guys get it 84% off. It's the best sell. It's the cheapest we will ever have our indicators. Literally, we will not have our indicators lower than this price ever. So let's dive in and actually use them to make some money here. So here's what you guys can watch. I called this right about back here. I was like, this fast of a move down, it's the best time to be scalping in the markets with consolidation periods. So how do you do that? Let's just dive in and talk about this. Do this on Bitcoin because obviously Bitcoin's in the same thing as well as all the other coins. So I'm just going to use Ethereum because it's just an easy coin to be looking at, okay? And it's got some funky structures on here because some of these like Bitcoin are just really easy. It's just like, guys, follow the indicators and it's hard not to make money. Like buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. Okay, here's all your profit. There's all your profit. And you guys are just doing this over and over again, okay? I want to show you on Ethereum because it's a little bit harder. So if you guys can do well on Ethereum, you're going to do well on all the other ones, okay? That's why I purposely picked this today. Here's what you guys are watching for, and this is literally as simple as it is. We're on the 1 hour time frame just so we can see structures a little bit better. All you guys are going to watch for is trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section, which is right here, and then you're going to look for well money flow to be low. And when that's low right there, you guys are looking to get back into the market. Okay, this is what smart money does. Smart money buys the dips and they sell the pumps. Here's what dumb money does. Dumb money buys the pumps and they sell the dips. I know some of you guys right now are looking at this, and whenever we head up here, you're putting a lot of money into the market because you're like, I think it's going to go to the moon without us. Okay, not a smart idea. Watch the Bitcoin video I just did, and it shows you guys the best tools to use to make money. And part of the best tools to make money in crypto is using good risk management, okay? So check this out. Let's just make this a fun video here. When trend exhaustion is low, bingo, we're looking at this. And I just want you guys to look up here. Is well money flow moving down? Have the whales been done buying up here, and are they shifting over to selling? Yes, they are. Guys, the well money flow literally just shows you guys what's happening with the volume of whales over here, the transactions. They are selling. So when this happens over here, this is a great time to be looking to get back into the market for a long trade. And if you guys are following this up here, let's pull some percentages here just for fun. You guys can see right down in the bottom right section, it was not at the bottom here, but you guys could have. It was right around this area here, and then we're looking for you guys to take some profits. Well, the first one up here where the trend exhaustion hit the top red section was 4.5%. And then if you guys came out here and you did this and you did something like that and you waited for the next one, or let's say you didn't even see it, then you're looking at about 6%. And then if you didn't do 6%, you're looking at this up here, which is probably about, 13, 12? About 9% at the top here, okay? So let's look at that. And then what you guys are doing is you come back over and you're just waiting. You're just being patient, guys. And I'll show you how to set up an alert for this so you can step away from the computer so you guys can just watch an alert come in and then you guys can trade. I'll show that to you because it's kind of fun. Okay, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. This is a perfect setup, guys, to get into the market. It doesn't matter if you're ranging. Yeah, ranging's great, but even in a trending market, this is a great way to be using this, okay? Look at the percentage on here. You're getting in here, price range, look at this. Trend exhaustion low and well money flow moving back down in this area. Is well money flow moving back down? Are they selling? Yes, and that's right about this area right here. Again, be honest with yourself. It's not at the bottom. It's over here on this red candle moving down. So did you see some drawdown? Yeah, you did. But the indicators are like, hey, this shows that the structures are looking to move down because, the structure looking to move back up because the trend exhaustion looks at structures of crypto. And well money flow looks at actual volume. So you're comparing the 2 most important things, structure of crypto and volume. And when you partner them together, that's why it can be so successful. There's another 4% win for you guys right there. All right, let's move to the next spot over here. Let's take a look at, actually, let me mock it up first. Trend exhaustion low. Let's come over here. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section right here. But then you need to look up here, guys. This is why you have to confirm it with 2. Are you guys going to take this long trade right here with well money flow, not only not being low, but actually moving up? No. This is how you guys can keep yourself safe. Because if you just have trend exhaustion, you would have probably entered into that. And that would have been a bad idea. But whales are up here buying this thing, so you can't do that. You need to pair them together. So what do? You wait for trend exhaustion to be low, and you wait for whale money flow to be low. And now you're like, how low does it have to be? Just look at the valleys in the past to see how low they've been, and that's what you're looking for. Literally, that's it, guys. Let's keep this very simple when you're trading, so we're not overcomplicating things. Now, the bottom was called right about here. Did it have drawdown? Yes. Let's just be honest with this. Where was the exit called? It was right around here on this candle wick high up here when we got to the top red section. So you're looking for about a 3%. You didn't get the high, you didn't get the low. I'm just trying to be honest on this video, guys. Look at that, 3%. Now, come back over. And we see again, the trend exhaustion at the bottom right section. Is whale money flow low? It's not super low here. So you guys could have made money on that, but I don't want to mock it up because I just want to stay honest with the analysis. Let's come back over here. Whale money flow is fairly low here. It's decently low. We see a little bit of move down, trend exhaustion low. So not a bad area to get in over here. Again, a little bit of drawdown. That's okay. And then you're moving back up to still make some profit in here. Let's take a percentage out to look at this. I want to dial it down here. So I'm looking at this and I'm looking at this here. So here, and then you're looking for trend exhaustion to be in the top right section. It happened right over here. So a little smaller one, guys, maybe like a 0.28. I think the market's going to keep heading back up. So this is probably going to get into the profit pretty soon. And then let's take a look at this over here. And then I'll show you guys the alerts. Trend exhaustion low, whale money flow low. You guys got in at the bottom here and you're up right now about 1.43%. Like literally, this is what you guys should be doing on all of your coins. What I'm doing in my accounts, I have all my money in my trades right now, which I showed you guys over here. So when the market goes up, I'm making money. I don't need to scalp in here right now because all my money's in here. If it goes up, I'm making hundreds of dollars. Literally, actually, if it goes up on the account's probably going to make a few $1,000s if we go back up here because of how much money I have in here. So I'm making this money with you guys. I'm just showing you like, here's a great way to use two indicators and just follow the principles. Whale money flow low, trend exhaustion low. Get into the market. Okay, where's the exit? You guys can exit right up here. We haven't even gone into the metrics of how you guys can use the metrics with this. I don't want to like go into that. It'll make the video too long. But if you guys literally partner the metrics in here, it'll be crazy. Do this. Go to the front page of TradeConfident.io. Go to this strategy right here. Outside of Luna, because it was an anomaly and the coin just crashed, we've never lost a crypto trade. I just want to keep saying that to make everything honest, guys. Watch this video. What I just showed you guys, you can use those same techniques. And we literally use those exact two indicators here to win both of these scalping trades we came out with and the scalping trade we came out with yesterday on Mana. Everybody won it. I showed you guys proof of that in the beginning of the video. We use these two indicators to do exactly what I showed you guys in order to win those scalping trades. Okay? And again, it hasn't lost a single trade. And with the risk management that I show you guys in this video, watch this today and the indicators and the metrics are right here. Okay, this is a lot of fun. Told you guys I'd do it, so I'm gonna do this. Here's how you set up an alert. Some of you guys are working and you're like, look, I don't have time to sit at the computer all day. I've got my chart set to the 4 hour or 1 hour. Just tell me when the trend exhaustion's low so I can check the charts to see if whale money flows can, correlated here so I can get in. So here's what you guys do. You come over here, you set the trend exhaustion, and you set this to watch for a pump. Now you can say watch for a drop after you set up a pump because you want to look for an exit. That's great. Watch for pump once per bar, and you're going to come over here and just do watch for drop. Watch for pump. This is for moves back up. And then watch for pump because we're on Ethereum. Let's go Ethereum like this. This is the indicator already has all this alerts coded in here. So this will just automatically pop up here for you guys. It's not like you have to like code anything or anything like that. It's very simple. Keeping things simple. Create this, and now you've got an alert. When this white line goes into the bottom red section here, this is going to give you guys an alert, which is most likely going to be when the price is back down here in this zone. And then guess what you're going to do, guys? You're going to get back into the market. Now, the best thing you guys can do with this, you can enter in all your money if you want to, but I'm going to be strongly advising you guys on this. Please use risk management on all of your scalping trades. So here's what you guys can do with the metrics. Once you see the trend exhaustion low and whale money flow low, I showed you guys some percentages, split your money up. So for example, let's go over here and let's go to Ethereum. I'm going to give you guys the live updates this morning just because these are all updated for today. If you guys are scalping this, here's what I recommend. If you got $1,000, split it into 3 equal portions. It's okay if you don't use all 4 because we're below the equator. That's something I covered in the last video. So if you enter in here with $1,000 and you're scalping that, I would do 333 right here. I'm not a financial advisor at all. Entertainment purposes only. Let's just make that clear, okay? 333 here. Your second buy limit has 333, and your third has $333. You've now split up your money. In case this scalping trade goes sideways and Bitcoin crashes to 20,000, you can celebrate all the way down because you've got buy limits in here, and your break-even entry is going down with you. Okay. And then once you guys see the price come back to your break even, what are you going to do? You can just watch for trend exhaustion to push to the top red section and take some profit. Like these two indicators here are a full strategy by themselves. So let's land this whole ship right here. The indicators you guys need are linked in the description and the first comment of this YouTube video. They are 84% off for May. They are going up in price May 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys have 6 days left. This is the last week. You guys can get these indicators here. Okay? This is the lowest price we will ever have our indicators. Click this link right there. Then click Save Money on checkout. Actually, sorry, don't click Save Money. Enter coupon code Save Money at checkout, and that will give you guys 84% off. The 9 indicators here are all going to be included in the bundle pack purchase. These 3 that you guys really need anyways are going to be included, and it's cheaper to get the bundle pack than the 3 you guys need for all of our strategies. Okay? And these indicators down here, guys, they are all a one-time purchase, lifetime access, and you get the source codes to all of our indicators. And the prices are going up in 6 days. Make sure you guys have these. I'm showing you how to use tools. If you're going to pay for something, you might as well see the profits people are making. So come in here and start using these, and maybe you guys will be like some of these people over here that took $150 and turned into $1,000 just using the indicators in 1 month. A hard challenge, but the indicators made it. This guy over here, he's making thousands of dollars a month, and just last week he did it loan $5,000. Now, this is not last week. It's when the testimonial came out, just keeping it honest with what he said here. Come down here. This guy's like, he's won 4 trades in a row. This guy up here, by the way, he's been undefeated in his trades. Guys, the risk management I'm showing you guys will help you be undefeated. That's why we're 122 wins and only 1 loss on Luna. Everybody lost Luna. Okay? Down here, here's some bigger stuff for you guys to get excited about. $23,000 just using the 2 indicators I showed you guys. Trend exhaustion, price flow, money flow. I'll probably put this in the thumbnail. $23,000 this guy made in 1 week with the indicators I'm showing you. $6,310 here in 13 days. What did he use? Our indicators and the strategy. This guy down here, $3,500 using the indicators and the metrics. It's pretty awesome what people are able to do. $43,000 in 4 days with the indicators. And moving more down here, this guy down here, he's like, I just closed my Ethereum trade, made $7,000 since March 1st. Balance went from 80,000 on February 1st to 120K today. I owe it all to you simply by following your advice on a daily basis. That's pretty awesome. And then this guy down here, I thought it was funny. I have your indicators and I feel like a god now. Just thought that was pretty fun and pretty cool what people are doing. So, guys, pretty awesome. Made $4,000 in 24 hours. And again, what are they doing? They're just using the indicators. I've coded indicators, guys, for a living for TradingView.com users about 3 years ago. These are the best indicators you guys will ever use for crypto, period. I just know this. It's because of the testimonials we got and because we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and crypto recorded at 122 wins and 1 loss. And on top of that, we have the healthiest crypto account we can find in all of crypto at 78,000 out of 150. When most people lost everything. I hope you guys just enjoyed this video, and it just shows you guys just some honest evidence of how you guys can just make money right now, because that's what everyone needs to be doing right now, is making money in these markets. So guys, I love you. Have an amazing day. The indicators are in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this video. They're 84% off, as well as the metrics and all of that you guys can access over here with our membership. Again, all the metrics here, the whale metrics you can track. I know I didn't go over it too much, but you get all those. The entries and exits for all 122 wins, I'm going to call them all out in Telegram for you guys. Signal service is yours. All the metrics to track whales, they're yours. The masterclasses that billion-dollar hedge funds have watched, seriously, they're all yours. Community chat, and every single month I see you guys when we go live together to talk about the markets. We've dialed this membership in to give you guys everything you possibly need to trade crypto successfully. And we've done this. And we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto, and we have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere. That, I'm not to be boasting, but hopefully that's proof for you guys that I think we've got something special over here, and I think it can really impact your life, and we can do this together as a family. So, all right, guys, have a good one. Links are in the description. I'll keep videos coming out this week, but I just want to show you guys how to make money and enjoy the profits, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.